Bonsoir, cryptocurrency family. Welcome to BitConnect Ventures. Today we're going to talk about a quick start guide to BitConnect, the cryptocurrency revolution. If you're familiar with Bitcoin, you know this has been on the rise and feeling that FOMO, fear of missing out. I guess that's what the kids are saying. On Bitcoin, maybe it's too late. It's not. BitConnect is the answer for a lot of people that want to start small in building not only Bitcoin, but daily payouts and interest-based income. But what is BitConnect? I guess that's what we're here to talk about. It's this is the main page at when you use my link in the description, it'll take you right here to BitConnect, and it'll explain it all on the first page after you sign up. 28 million BitConnect coins, not of all of which are in circulation. As you can see here, the price has been steadily going up. The price in orange is BitConnect coin, and the price in gray, so the price in orange is BitConnect as priced towards Bitcoin, and the price in gray is in US dollars. As you can see, the price of Bitcoin over this, a 1-year chart by the way, follows Bitcoin as it goes up, the ups and downs. Not exactly, but it's designed to match the rise of Bitcoin, because basically on the site you are trading for your Bitcoin coming in for BitConnect tokens or coins, BCC, and then you're loaning out the BitConnect coins in increments starting at $100 and $10 increments up from there. You're lending out those loans in US dollar increments, and you will get paid back your interest in US dollar increments, and your capital release will be in US dollars. So to clear up some confusion, if you just buy Bitcoin tokens or Bitcoin coins, the BCC with your Bitcoin, and just let them sit in your wallet, it will gain value just based on market history. Of course, you know, this is crypto, so anything could happen, but as you can see from this chart, this is a 1-year chart, this is a 1-week chart coming up here. So you can see that BitConnect tokens basically are pretty steady with the ups and downs of Bitcoin pricing, and again, that's reflected in these US dollars. A little bit more in the details of different things you can do with your BitConnect coins. You can stake them, hold them in your wallet on your desktop in a pile, and they become part of the blockchain, and you actually get paid an interest based on the amount of time that you're staking them on your desktop. It makes it easier for the blockchain to work and more effective. If you're just going to buy and hold, that's a good option there. You can also trade the BitConnect tokens. You can mine them on the site as well and invest them, in which we're going to talk about a little bit today. This also goes over Bitcoin and BitConnect pricing. Got a projected earnings calculator over here, Bitcoin pricing as opposed to US dollar calculator. And just give you an example, just a little, if you're going to invest, let's say $1,000 as your initial investment, a 30-day average of 0.82%. Let's do 10-10 because just over the limit there. At 10-10 you get a guaranteed 0.1% bump in your rate of interest, and that is a 239-day loan. And hit calculate. Profit from a $1,010 US dollar loan in BitConnect coins on the site plus your 0.1%. As you can see, it's 0.82 rolling 30-day average for percentage rate plus 0.1% for going over the $1,000 threshold. Term in 239 days. Return on investment is 219.88%. Your profit is 2,220. Profit with principal is $3,230. So that's with your principal coming back on the, I guess it would be the 239th day. So that seems like a lot of money. Yeah, it is. But again, that's with $1,000. So you put a lot of money in, you get a lot of money out. Let's start with a $100 loan. Calculate that. Again, almost 200% return on investment. Profit with principal, $295 based on a $100 loan for that's going to be 299 days. Sorry about that, because as we see in a second, I'll show you the chart. So a little bit longer term, 245%. In BitConnect lending, which is where a lot of the folks are making a daily profit. So from the lending page here on BitConnect, it's the three-step process. Basically, you deposit your Bitcoin from an outside wallet into the BitConnect wallet on your website, the BitConnect wallet on your website. From the exchange, then you buy BitConnect tokens or coins, lend out those coins, the BCC, on your dashboard, paying out the volatility rate from the trading bot, and then earn daily profit. You can reinvest from there. This is the chart we were talking about a little bit earlier with the lending amounts, the amount of days before you receive your capital back. That's the day the loan ends, so you get your capital back. You can stop your interest at that point because it's no longer in service. As you go through, it's regular volatility software. That's the trading bot, buys and sells Bitcoin based on market fluctuation. On the way down, on the way up, bigger market fluctuations, the better. More volatility equals more profits for the bot. The bot splits half the profits with BitConnect, and the other half of the profits go back into the pool. And based on what your loan amount on that particular day, that's what you get paid. Now, when you're going into the $1,010 to $5,000 range, your capital, the length of the loan shortens by 2 months, 60 days, and volatility software gets a bonus bump of 0.1%. Going up the chain too, bigger loan, $5,010, because you get over the $5,000 threshold. Volatility software gets bumped by 0.2, and you get paid after 179, $10,010 and up, 120 days length of term, 0.25% bump on your volatility daily interest amount. Shorter days to pay it back. I've seen some videos on YouTube and some people's accounts of what they've made, and they've done $10,000 loans and gotten paid after 120 days and made the same as they would for a $100 loan based on percentages plus the 0.25%. When you're talking about the added daily interest rate bump for the different variations of what you're investing, that will come in. There are going to be days. I'll go to my dashboard real quick. This is what the dashboard looks like, but I'm just going to show Lend BitConnect. It'll pop up that same sort of chart that I was talking about earlier, same numbers, and this is where you actually lend your money from. But if you look at the volatility software and what it pays out, like for today we're paying 1.73%. Tomorrow we'll be paying 1.27%. Yesterday was 0.6. Kind of a couple of bad days in a row there. Then 23rd and the 24th, the day before that, rolling average for 30 days is 0.82%. This is the chart of 1 month's worth of interest rates. You can see some down days. It's 0.02, not zero. But again, if you have looking at your term of the loan and the amount of money you have in there, that 0.1, the 0.25, the 0.2, that adds up when you're dealing with short days like this. So you get, instead of 0.02, if you had a $1,010 loan, that'd be 0.12. So it'll help you out with your average, and then adds to it in a positive. There are some days that you don't make anything. So again, if you were to put in a $100 loan, it's typically a good starting amount. The term length is 299 days at 0.82% rolling 30-day average. Profit on a $100 loan in BitConnect tokens is $245.18, 245% return on investment. Profit and principal together, $345. Now, $10,000. If you got a $10,000 loan and you're putting in 1010, that length is 120 days. Calculate that out. Oh yeah, it's there. 128.4%, shorter term though. With capital release, $22,862 based on a $10,000 loan. So it is profitable. How do you do it? I'm going to go back to my dashboard, explain the dashboard real quick. This is where all the action happens. So this is my account, my user dashboard. It's where it's going to, after you sign up for an account, the link for BitConnect, to be part of my team, right here. It's referring new members. I haven't talked about referrals yet, but if you want to be part of my team, you can join. Use the link in the description, sign up, and fund your wallet. We recommend Coinbase. You can go to coinbase.com. Buy and sell tab has a chart of Bitcoin here. You can buy other cryptos, but you need Bitcoin to get into the BitConnect. Just use Coinbase. If you sign up, there'll be a link in the description for that as well. If you sign up with me on that, I'll give you $10 on your first $100 of Bitcoin. So there's free Bitcoin right there. Free $10 of Bitcoin just for signing up and exchanging with Coinbase. So transfer from the lending wallet to the BitConnect wallet. Exchange, here's where you exchange your Bitcoin to BitConnect. I'll show you what the exchange looks like. I need to do that right now, so we'll do that. Estimated value that I have in my account just started, brand new account, guys. So 0.02, you're starting from the bottom. 0.02 Bitcoins. Here's where you deposit or withdraw Bitcoin. Here's where you deposit or withdraw BitConnect coin. Currently on the exchange, one BitConnect coin equals 0.3681258 BTC, which is Bitcoin. So one BitConnect coin is equal to $217.2837. I'm going to tell you right now, and you'll hear this from me on my other videos as well that are going to be coming out, that this price right here, that dollar amount doesn't make much of a difference, because if you can say we looked at the chart a little bit, that this, you're getting out what you put in it. So if you're going to trade BitConnect coins just for trading value, yeah, it goes up and down, but it mostly goes up. Now, if you're just getting it for the loans, if you bought it at 210 and you're loaning it out at 210, regardless, as it sits into that loan for 299 days or 239 days, that naturally your BitConnect coin would gain value based on market history. Nothing's guaranteed. This is crypto. It is a market. But based on history, would go up with the price of Bitcoin, and Bitcoin pricing has been going up. Now, that being said, we're all doing this. The loans are all in US dollars. So not to confuse the situation, first we have to open up a BitConnect account using my link in the description. Fund that account with Bitcoin. You can use Coinbase. Like I said, we can use Coinbase to buy Bitcoin and then send it to this wallet. Then we're going to exchange that Bitcoin for BitConnect tokens. So go down here hit refresh so we get the current pricings on this. So buy BCC or sell BCC. So this is where we buy BitConnect coins. Go down here. You want to buy, and we have 0.0 BTC in our account right now. BitConnect coins. Let's see what we got here. Those are buying orders. So you want to go over to the sellers. This is what it's selling at. And you want to buy. So you're going to pick one from over here. And you have to do this a little bit quickly because the market's a little bit jumpy. So click on that. That'll give you a price. You don't want 447 units because you don't have that many Bitcoins. So we just adjust this amount here. So you just adjust this amount because I wish I had that amount. I only have 0.02 of Bitcoin. They'll buy me 0.54 BitConnect tokens at 0.0368 Bitcoin per. Hit the buy button. Let's shut some of these. The computer's a little jumpy today. And this will pop up when you hit the buy button, confirming everything. Read everything. Make sure it's all cool. You're not buying thousands of dollars worth of BitConnect tokens. 0.02 BTC. That's Bitcoin going in. BitConnect tokens coming out. Confirm. So the Bitcoin went from over here to BitConnect tokens over here. So go back up. I'll go back to my dashboard. Now we're going to start a loan. Now I have BitConnect tokens. I'm going to start a loan and we'll start making interest today on BitConnect. It's just that easy. That's where a lot of people get tripped up on, is the exchange. Again, you just go to the exchange, you're going back and forth, just hit your buy and sell. Sometimes if you want to it'll just fill in the last amount. Oh, by the way, if you want to deposit into your Bitcoin wallets from your dashboard, deposit Bitcoin, deposit into your BitConnect. If you're lucky enough to have BitConnect coins coming in from an outside source, this is where you deposit BitConnect. This is where you deposit Bitcoin. And this is where you send it out, sending out Bitcoin and sending out BitConnect coins. So that's on the dashboard page. What we're going to do now is lend BitConnect. I'm going to start a loan. So it pops up the lending guide. How much you want to do? We start off with, I'm going to do, for the interest of most people out there, start with a $100 loan. So that's 299 days. Volatility interest is currently paying about 0.82%. 0.82% currently. $100 is 0.46 BitConnect tokens, currently at $217 a piece. Earning interest on BitConnect lending over time. It floats based on the volatility trading bot and the volatility software. I've read the terms of use. I'd like to now pay from BitConnect wallet, $100. Just double check up here. $100, 0.46 looks good. Pay from BitConnect wallet. BitConnect wallet investment, robot trading, $100. Everything looks good there. 299 days, I get the $100 back plus all of the interest I've earned every day. Confirm. Successfully lent $100, 0.4602 BitConnect tokens to the BitConnect trading bot. Awesome. So now let's look down here, scroll towards the bottom. A lot of times these pages have a lot of numbers rolling in them. It's a good time to refresh them every now and again. Always log off when you're away from the computer too, just for safety. So this is my transactions. Payment completed of $100. This is a little bot here. $100 invested. Capital released, not yet. And then up here, you'll see my BitConnect wallet has shrunk by the amount that I paid today for that loan. Over here, let's say we start with $100, average 0.82. This is just a compounding interest calculator. I'll have one on my website. You can find it also. You can Google it. This is directly for BitConnect. It shows reinvestment every time at $10. So let's start today. How much before we get to, let's go 90 days out, 3 months. 90 days, we'll have $170 if we reinvest the $10. Like $10 is the minimum you can reinvest. Reinvesting $10 every time at 90 days, we'll have $170. Let's see, 6 months. 6 months. 180 days, $310 reinvested. So this will be $310 of loans out there in 6 months. Earning daily interest of 2.54% on 0.82. The trick is to get that up to $1,000 loans so you get a little bit more money back. Or start with more money here. Start with more money in, the faster you'll start building your loans. So if you like what you see so far, I recommend, start with more money in the front. So if you can feel comfortable with a $1,000 loan, do that. Otherwise, do it a couple $100 loans to get your feet wet. And then once you see those daily payouts coming in, you'll be able to start building your base amount there. Because what you really want to do is build the amount of loans that you have out there to be a good base amount where your daily payouts are enough where you can do, say, half of which you invest back into, you loan back out half of your daily payout, and the other half you buy BitConnect coins and sit on those and let those grow value or even stake them at that point. One thing we didn't quite cover at this point, I want to cover a little bit, is the referral program. I know it's not all about referrals, but you want to learn more about that, my referral link is right here. It's also in the description. Basically, referrals is if you've got a good social network following, or if you've got a lot of followers already and you want to share the wealth, literally share the wealth with people. These people become part of your team. Every time they invest, you make a little bit of money by teaching them a little about BitConnect and how to use it. They can teach other people. I'm just going to cover real quick. If your first referral, let's say somebody sees your video or sees your link online or talks to you about BitConnect, they say, hey, that's a great idea. They come by BitConnect, set up an account, and then they loan out $10,000. Then if you're the one that signed them up, that would be $700 to you. So you see this game, how that works. So it's not necessary. You can make fine on it. You can do just fine with loaning out money, making daily interest, and building your stake that way, or staking coins, or even mining coins on the BitConnect site. But if you've got a good social following, social media, and you got some people that watch what you do, maybe it's a good time get experience with BitConnect, and start referring people, because why wouldn't you? It's out there too. You can make 7%. We're gonna look at that. We're just starting here. We're gonna follow it. But again, click the link in the description to set up your BitConnect account. Fund your BitConnect account from an outside source, say Coinbase or HitBTC or whatever, to get money into your Bitcoin wallet. So you do that by clicking on this, deposit Bitcoin into the Bitcoin wallet that's the number for that wallet. Once that's in there, go to the exchange, buy BitConnect tokens. With those BitConnect tokens, whatever dollar amount you have, you can start lending. And once you start lending, then you start making daily profits from the cryptocurrency, the virtual money you have on the table. It's just a good way to start building a stake in cryptocurrency as well as earn Bitcoin. You can transfer them back. And again, you can sell your BitConnect coins for Bitcoin, and you can sell the Bitcoin for cash at or whatever other cryptocurrency. Real quick, if you're wondering, I'm going to hit refresh on this because sometimes this changes. This is coinmarketcap.com. It's a list of cryptocurrencies and the amount of trading and their current pricings. Market capitalizations for different. Total market cap right now, 171,353,000. Wow, that's total. Of which Bitcoin controls 98 billion of that. Ethereum, Ripple, Bitcoin Cash, which is a fork coming off of Bitcoin. By the way, there's another fork coming off of Bitcoin called Bitcoin Gold coming up this week, so we'll see what happens there. BitConnect is steadily moving up. It used to be, when I started following BitConnect, it was in the 20s as far as the ranking, just behind Bitcoin Cash, Litecoin, Dashcoin, NEM, I don't know what that is. $1.582 billion BitConnect, and you can see it's pretty much follows Bitcoin on the chart too. So it's real deal. There's a meeting in Thailand this weekend in regard to what going on with Bitcoin and possible debit card. There's also a BitConnect BitConnect meeting in Thailand talking about a BitConnect, possibly a debit card and going on exchanges. BitConnect could be hit BTC, so you watch this price right here, BitConnect coin to rise possibly in the next couple of weeks due to what's going on with Bitcoin and Bitcoin stripping off on the hard fork, and then BitConnect also is steadily rising with the rumors and or actual facts. So what did we say? Buy the rumor, sell the news. So right now it's just rumor whether or not there's a BitConnect debit card coming out, but the fact is that BitConnect is going to be on a couple more exchanges and sold directly, not just on a few exchanges. So that's BitConnect. What is BitConnect? Hopefully that's a good quick start guide for you getting forward. Again, daily payouts based on volatility of the market. Referrals are an option, not necessary. You can make just fine money doing the loans or mining or what have you. Again, all you need to do is get started, and you can do that by clicking the link in the description. It'll take you right to the BitConnect link. You can be part of my team. You can join the Facebook group. You can do a lot of things with us, and hopefully it involves, making a little bit of BitConnect coin and trading that for Bitcoin. So good luck, everybody. If you have any questions, leave it in the comments, like this video, subscribe for more videos because we're going to have some more coming out and not all going to be on BitConnect. We'll talk about crypto in general as well. So BitConnect, it's the way forward. There's a difference between knowing the path and walking the path. I think Morpheus said that. Yeah.